Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Gmail password if you forgot, right? So usually many of Android users just make their account and they just forget it, and there's only one way to find your Gmail password, right? The very easiest thing is that just go to your Gmail here. Once you go to Gmail, on the top right you will see this your name and just go to the Google account. Once you are here into the Google account, just go to the search bar which is on the top right, and here you have to type password manager. So if you just type password, you will get this option of password manager. Just open it up, and here you can see that there is a lot of password which is automatically saved over my account here. So I can just write here Gmail, right? And once I type here Gmail, there will be a lot of, so you have to find where is your Gmail, right? And you will able to open that password. And guys, if you're not getting Gmail here, just like you can see that I'm not able to find Gmail, then just go to the search bar here again and just type Google. Once you type Google, of course I have to just log in. I have to just enter my password, and here you can see that this is my account. The password is here. If I just tap on my eye icon, then the password will be shown, and in this way you can just find your Google password, right? So this is the only way to find your Google password, and I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.